Yeah, the UK has a 45-year relationship with Europe, and I think this will endure regardless of what actually happens. You know, even in the worst case, in that Brexit does happen, it's a very clear break. I still think the informal agent or the informality between agencies will still exist. I know that on the books it says that, you know, if Brexit happens and we're no longer part of Europe, then we can't be part of Eurojust, for example. However, I'm sure these informal information sharing arrangements will still occur because it's in everybody's interest at the end of the day. And I think a lot of these agencies are much more supernatural, rather, in scope and reach than probably their mandate would appear on paper. And don't forget, we still work very strongly, you know, as being part of NATO. Obviously the OECD, you know, the US, the FATF, for example. So even if there isn't a formal supranational body as a backstop, i.e. Europe, I still think the way that our agencies tend to move towards, you know, greater cohesion. And we only have to look at the ongoing EU unification of the military and UK into NATO would, for me, suggest that we will not be pulling away, and we will only be getting stronger in terms of sharing information and data across borders for the global benefit of fighting, you know, money laundering and global corruption.